Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Baker on Mains. These are gluten-free granola, and it's also dairy-free and casein-free. So let's take a look. If you guys want to read it, pause it. That's what's in there. Here is the ingredients. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so you have the clusters right here. And this flavor is Rainforest banana. And now, with the taste, I don't get a strong aroma of banana. I've done a review on the apple one. That one has a nice aroma of the apple. This one, not so much banana. So it is subtly sweet, just like the other one. But definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.